Hello world, I didn't see you come in. Now today, me and my colleagues will be talking about solubility. Now you're probably asking what solubility is. Well, solubility is how much a solute is being dissolved in a solvent. Now, you're probably asking what a solute is. This is a solute. Solutes are what's being dissolved in a solvent. And now you're gonna be like, but you're not explaining what the solvent is. Well, this is a solvent. You know what this is? Delicious. This is water. The universal solvent. Oh, you guys are still here. Darn. But anyways, you still have to listen to me. So now, we're going to talk about heterogeneous and homogeneous. Heterogeneous are when two things combine and they look the same. Take this for example. Our old solute and our solvent. Just combine them and mix it up. And look at that. They look exactly the same. Good enough to drink. That was a heterogeneous. Homogeneous. Here we come. This is not a sponsor, by the way. Some Skittles. Oh, everyone loves the sugar. Taste the rainbow. Now, combine this and this. There's a homogeneous. See, you can still see the little pieces inside. Now, does that look exactly the same? Does it look like something you would drink? No, it doesn't. That was heterogeneous. Oh, you're back. Well, now that you're back, you'll have to listen to me. We're going to talk about solutions, suspension, and colloids. But to talk about that, I have to get into the appropriate gear. So I'll be right back. You're probably asking why I'm dressed like this. Well, we're going to be talking about a mixture. Now, a mixture is two or more things combined to make one thing. Like me, red, white, and blue. But there are three types of mixtures: colloid, suspension, and solution. Now here we'll be talking about a solution, one of the mixtures. A solution is a homogeneous mixture where one thing is dissolved into another, such as sugar and water. And now we'll be talking about a colloid. But since we do not have any colloids with me, I'll just have to tell you. Now, a colloid is a mixture where there are little particles only visible when you shine light through them. And a colloid can also not be separated once they're combined. So, take Jell-O for example. Once you combine the gelatin with the other ingredients, they cannot be taken apart. You cannot take the gelatin out of the Jell-O. It's now our last mixture, suspension. Suspension is a mixture that has large visible particles, and they are not exactly combined. They can never really be combined. They can be separated by their densities, though. If something is too dense, it will go on the bottom. If something is is not very dense, it will go on the top. Vinaigrette, for example. As you can see, there are little particles all around the bottom, and you gotta shake it up to evenly distribute them. I almost forgot. Compounds. A compound is a molecule that is made up of two or more different elements. Take water, for example. Thank you, mi amigo. Water is made of hydrogen, 2 hydrogen atoms, and 1 oxygen atom.